Yes, I think cooking the food is a major problem we have nowadays in the society. Uh, One big reason is that when we cook something and we heat it and then the chemical structure of that matter break down and it loses its life force, and now it's a dead matter and its structures in decay. That's why we cooked plants or anything we cooked as food goes bad and rots very quick. A few hours without a refrigerator, the taste changes and it starts rotting. So now it's a dead matter, and it develops a lot of unfavored microbes that eat this dead matter, that live on this decay matter, and they decompose it quite fast. And this is dangerous to put in our bodies. That's why we don't tend to eat a cooked food after many hours of being cooked, because it's of food poisoning, because of this intense proliferation of this type of bacteria that eat that matter. So when we inoculate our body with this bacteria and this dead matter by eating cooked, now I think as humans we start operating differently, because we give to our body and to our cells signals of decay and death, and this fast acceleration of decay. And then having this type of microbes inside us secreting their chemicals by eating this dead matter, and our poop smells usually because of that, this more fast rotting of the substances inside. Then we start operating more with fear, like subconsciously, because we give inside our body these messages of decay and death. Decay, death. So we operate out of fear, out of anxiety. We feel insecure. And that starts changing. In my experience, I talk from experience, when we start eating raw foods and living foods, living plants, fruits, that they don't decay as fast. They have a shelf-life. You can eat it tomorrow and the next day. It's because the microbiome they have, it's not eating this decay matter that cooked is. So now with these alive enzymes, we have alive food, and then we give signals to our body that we more of life, not of this fast decay. So we tend to feel happier and more driven for life. We start to get more connected with nature, with all the living organisms around us, the plants, the birds, the insects, the animals, because we experience internally life. We give to our bodies messages and signals of life, and we experience it. And as we experience it, we seek it. So we start being connected with living organisms, and we start appreciating life more. We become less afraid, more trusting to life, more trusting to the universe. And then that hopefully leads us to a better life, a feeling of more joy and contentment. And yeah.
Very good. Thank you, Nicholas.
Yeah.